Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I'm going to take a quick look at a wallet case for the Galaxy S10 Plus made by TOOVREN. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now here's where you can get this case from. It's you can get it from Amazon. They come in 5 colors. They got a black one, a gray one, pink, and red one. $17.99. There's a picture of it right there. Blow that up. You can see what it looks like. Fits the S10 Plus. Got a lanyard with it. Looks like a nice looking case. Now they claim this case can do wireless charging as well, and we're going to check all that out. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's go ahead and take this out of the box. Pretty simple boxing. Got the TOOVREN branding right there. Some information about the device on the back. Let's slide this out. Should be pretty easy. The sleeve is kind of stuck. Okay, finally got the sleeve off. Just pull this out of the box. Nothing else in there. Pretty empty. Take this plastic wrap off right here. All right, so interesting case. There's the lanyard for it right there. Pretty long. And you have a leather backing. It feels pretty nice. And this is a place for your cards right here. And you can secure that with these buttons right here. So that's pretty cool. And I guess you can adjust it if you need more room to pull this out. You can adjust that, like it'll adjust to the second one. So you can push it from. It's pretty nice looking. And I guess the lanyard goes here, like that. It's a little flexible area right here to stretch out if it needs to. You see that right there? It's flexible. Same thing on this side. So that's pretty nice. Bottom is closed up. Got an opening for the speaker, charging port, the headphone jack, Bixby button, and your vibe up and down rocker, your mic, and your power button right there, camera cutout right there. So you're gonna have some protection there. Now it's got a TPU side. It's fairly thin, so that's cool. Now, this is a pretty cool device. We're gonna put this on the S10 and see how it looks. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the S10 Plus inside the case and see how it looks. Here's the S10 Plus right here. Slip this in. Now it's very slim and it does not obstruct the screen, so you still got the curved edges on the screen. You can still feel that. There's a raised lip on the bottom, so you can see that. So that'll protect the screen. And you got one on the top as well. So you can put it down and it'll protect the screen. Should be able to put it down. Yeah, so I think you're gonna, but you can see the sides, they don't come up high. So you can put a screen protector on there and you'll still be okay. I would recommend one with this case. Everything lines up on the bottom. Your speakers, mic, and your charging port and your headphone jack. The power button works, no problem. Mic lined up right there, and you got your buttons on the right, on the left side there. It's a fairly thin case, and so if you can get used to this on the back, you're fine. Now you see the camera is protected there. You got a raised area right there, 4 corners. It's going to protect the camera as well. So, and the corners right here are they kind of go up on the corner there, so they kind of raise a little bit to give you some more protection when you lay it down flat. I don't know if you can see that, but the corners are kind of bolstered right there, just slightly, so you can protect the front of the phone when you put it down. But it's a good fit. It's a pretty good fit. Not slipping much, or I don't feel any slippage at all. So it's pretty sturdy. Okay, now we're gonna fit some cards in here. You just pull the button back and slide some cards in the bottom and the back right there. So they fit nice. You can close this back up to protect the card so they won't fall out or anything. And you got good secure protection, so not sliding out. So if you want to put some bills in, you can see this is not long enough, so you're gonna have to fold this over and put this in so you don't have it sticking out too far and you'll protect that. All right, so you got some bills in there, and you can probably put both if you don't have a huge stack. Now, I talked about this strap here earlier, and I mentioned the adjustable area right here. Now, actually, what I learned was when you put this in the second slot, this is pretty stiff. All right, you got that curve right there, so you can use this as a kickstand. So that's pretty cool right there. Pretty cool. I like that. So it's a kickstand. Now, it looks like it's only going to be able to work this way. Let's see. You can put it that way as well, but it doesn't sit as flush on the other side. But on this side, you can see that right there. You put it there, it's going to hold it as a kickstand. That's pretty cool right there. I like that. So it's a pretty functional case. Okay, so you got a lanyard that comes with the case as well. This is the lanyard, and it's adjustable. It's a 3-in-1 lanyard. Now you can adjust this just by sliding the strap right here to make what you want. So if you want it to go on your wrist, you just slide this up a little closer, and you can slide it to your wrist setting. All right, so it'll fit on your wrist right there. Same thing if you want to put it in your hand, you can just adjust this, and the same thing for your neck, as you can see. You can just make the adjustment. So that's pretty handy. Some folks might do that. You can see you can make it pretty large. Now you just clip this on to the device like so. So it's a spring clip right there. You can see that. And you can hold a device. Doesn't look like it's going to come out. I'm shaking it right now. So I think it'll hold it for normal use. You can't be swinging it around. It might come out then, but it held it just now and I was just shaking it around like that. Small shakes. So that's pretty neat if you like to use a lanyard. Okay, now they claim this case can be used for wireless charging. And that's always the trick with these wallet cases, to see if they actually can charge your device with the case on. And you see you got some stuff on the back here, and we're going to see if it works. All right, let's put this on and see if it picks up wireless charging. Now, I had to set this in the right position to get it to charge. Let's see, let's take it off. Let's put it back on and see. So it picked it up. I'm not sure what happened when I put it there initially. It seemed like it didn't want to pick up, but it's picking up the wireless charge. You can see right there. So it's working. So that's pretty cool as well. Even with the strap on the back, it's still picking up wireless charge, even though it's not level. You can see that. Now again, the case has TPU sides, PU leather back, feels pretty good. Adjustable strap, kickstand, and you can use a lanyard as well. So wireless charge works, and I think it could work for you if that's something you like. It's less bulky than the normal folio cases. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Galaxy S10 Plus wallet case by TOOVREN. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.